Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you with two freeware that lets you change drive icons in Windows 11 and 10. Change drive icons in Windows 11 or 10 using Drive Icon Changer. Drive Icon Changer is a tiny and free utility specially designed for Windows operating systems that easily change the File Explorer drive icons. Apart from the changing, this freeware also comes with a bunch of cool drive icons. To change the drive icon, first, download the portable Drive Icon Changer software. You can find the link in this video description. Then, extract the zip file contents using any archiver tool, such as WinRAR or WinZip. Now, right-click on Drive Icon Changer and select the Run as Administrator option. If the User Account Control dialog opens, click the Yes button to continue. Next, in the Drive Icon Changer application that opens, select the drive you want to change the icon on and then select the icon.ico file. Finally, click the Save button. Restart your computer or File Explorer to see the new icon on your drive. Change drive icons in Windows 11 10 through My Drive Icon. My Drive Icon is another freeware tool to change drive icons in Windows 11 and 10. It is a portable application, so there is no need to install it to change drive icons on your computer. To change drive icons on a Windows 11 or 10 computer, first, download My Drive Icon. After that, extract its contents in a folder using RAR Opener or any other archiving tool you like to use. Then right-click on the executable file and select the Run as Administrator option from the context menu. Select an icon from your PC by clicking on the folder icon in the Select Icon File box. Next, select a drive for that you want to change the icon. Finally, hit the Apply Changes button. The changes are immediate, so there is no need to restart your computer. However, if new icons don't appear, you should restart your PC once. Goodbye. See you in the next video.